If you've been looking for a new or customizable controller but don't want to fork over $60+, well, I have the solution for you. The powerA enhanced wire controller costs half the price as the stock Xbox controller, and it comes with a lot more customization. You can get the controller in a bunch of different styles, and it's pretty cheap. I was able to buy mine on sale for just $30. So if you're gaming on a budget, I definitely recommend this controller. At this point, you may be asking yourself, is this controller even worth it? Let's find out. Let's unbox this bad boy and see what kind of quality we're dealing with. Right out of the box, the controller looks very good. It fits really nicely into my hand, and pressing all the buttons feels really good. The back design also gives you more grip, so that's a really nice feature. And there's also two programmable buttons on the back. Overall, this is a very good looking and feeling controller. The controller also comes with this 10-foot cable that you use to plug into your computer or your system, so this gives you a lot of space to work with. The controller is also very easy to use. All you have to do is plug in the power cable at the top, and then this white light will turn on under the Xbox symbol and you're good to go. Programming the back buttons is really simple as well. You don't have to download any software, so you can do it on Xbox as well. All you have to do is hold down this back button for a couple of seconds. Once the light starts blinking, you select whichever button you want. So A, for example, the light will start blinking even faster, and now all you have to do is press whichever back button you want to program it to. So I'm going to press the left one. Now the light is solid. That means that the programming is done and you're all set to go. And then you just have to repeat for the right one. Now that we've gone over all those details, let's see how the controller performs. Alright, so let's test the controller out. Let's see what this is really about. Like I've said before, it feels really good. Now, I don't usually play on controller, so I'm kind of bad. Don't make fun of me. But, I mean, this feels really nice. Yeah, both of the paddles on the back are working. I have edit on the left one, and then I have build on the right one, so right here. So edit right here. You can see my hands are not on any other buttons. Edit and then build. Oh, I guess so now. And then build right here. Yeah. So everything works. Everything feels good. And I definitely would recommend this controller over the stock Xbox controller, especially if you want to play like competitive. Because, you know, competitive having buttons on the back is really good. And I mean, like, at half the price point, like, this is obviously worth it. It doesn't feel like one of those clunky, like, I've bought controllers where they were like half the price and it was just like, what am I holding in my hand? I feel like I'm holding a toy controller. This actually feels good. So yeah, if you're gaming on a budget, this is definitely the controller to go for, man. Even if you don't want to use the paddles on the back, you could just use it for casual gaming. But this is definitely a good controller to use. Yeah, everything works really well, man. I just have to get used to the controls before I do anything. Oh yeah, look at that, I'm editing now. Overall, the powerA enhanced wire controller is really just a good controller to have. The price for performance on it is crazy. For just $35, you get a controller that's basically the same quality as the $60 ones. And on top of that, you get two paddles on the back of the controller that you can reprogram. Not many controllers have that, and none of them have them at this price point. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.